Hi all, this is Emmanuel from Sproutflowers and welcome to yet another video from us. And today we are going to learn how to play around with WP Rocket plugin. WP Rocket plugin is a premium plugin and it is the go-to plugin for many WordPress users around the world. Here we have got a nice website with many JavaScript codes running. We are going to use WP Rocket to optimize our site. We are going to optimize our site for faster page speeds. If you know how to optimize the speed of the website, I have included a video link in the description where I talk about website speed optimization. There are many free plugins out there, but none are as effective as WP Rocket plugin. Let's hop into the video right away. Now we are in the dashboard and I'll quickly go to the settings and click on WP Rocket. This is the dashboard of WP Rocket, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the plugins features one by one. Please follow through the steps that I show you to optimize your website in WP Rocket. First, I'll click on the cache tab, and as you can see, I have enabled cache for my site separately for desktop and mobile. Please enable all these features in your website for separate caching for mobiles. And also you must enable caching for logged in users. Make sure you enable this as well. The cache clearing has to be done every 10 hours. Most sites use this time for clearing cache, so we too do the same. After you click on the cache preferences, click on Save Changes. Next, I'm going to click on File Optimization tab, and here I make sure that I enable Minify CSS files. And in case if you want to exclude some of your CSS code from Minify, you can do it here as well. Now we scroll down and click on Minify JavaScript files. And here, Load JavaScript Deferred option will exclude the render blocking JS. The delay JavaScript execution here also helps your site to load faster and by reducing blocking by JavaScript. And once you do that, click on Save Changes. Now let's click on the Media tab. Here we can enable lazy load for images in our site. Enable for iframes and videos will actually optimize the YouTube video links that you have included in your site. It will make sure only the thumbnail to load instead of loading the YouTube video, as it will take some time to contact the YouTube, so we enable this option as well. And once you finish that, you're going to select Disable WordPress Embeds. What this actually does is, it will not allow anyone to take a link of your website and put it in theirs. After that, click on Enable WebP Caching, and this will make your website to convert all the images in your site to WebP format while loading. I have already made these changes to my site, so I'm just telling you here. Now click on Save Changes after you make this change. Next, I'm going to click on Preload tab, and here I make sure I click on Activate Preloading. This will make my site load only the part the user sees. And if he or she scrolls down the site, then it will load the images and the content below. This is a cool feature for websites, so we enable this as well. And also I have selected Enable Link Preloading. In case if you want to preload custom fonts, you can do it here too. Next up, I'm going to click on Advanced Rule tab. This particular section is for people who wants to include custom specialized codes. We don't need this as of now. So I'm going to click on Database tab, and here I have enabled revisions. This will make my site record the revisions made before cleanup. We can also select comments cleanup, but WordPress already does that by default, so it is not necessary. Backing up your site is very important. Before doing any of the speed optimization, you have to back up your site. if you want to know how to get your site backed up, please watch my other tutorial of WP Optimize and Updraft Plus. I'll include the link in the description. Now I click on the CDN tab. This is basically a feature for big websites with more traffic. If you choose Cloudflare to be your CDN, please enter the URL and enable CDN. For us, however, it is not needed. Next up, I will click on the Heartbeat tab. This feature will constantly check the health of the connection between your website and the server. Make sure to click on the reduce activity here because it will slow your page loads. After you make changes, click on save changes. Now I'm going to click on add-ons tab. Here you can see many features like optimization for Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel and stuff. You can customize your site according to the services you use in the internet. If you need more speed, you can skip all of this, or if you need these features desperately, you can do that too. Now I'm going to click on the tools tab, and here as you can see there are export settings and import settings. If you have multiple sites, you can use these options to enable these settings to your multiple sites. And finally, in this section, you have tutorials where you can actually learn how to optimize. There you go. This is all that WP Rocket has to offer, and I hope I have helped you understand things simpler. If you have any queries, feel free to comment and we'll reply. If you need WordPress support, please visit our site sproutplus.com. And if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. I will sign off here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.